As is well known, Sukhoi is a Russian military fighter aircraft manufacturer founded by Pavel Sukhoi in 1939, and is known as the Sukhoi Corporation. Of the various types of Sukhoi fighter aircraft, the following is a comparison of the types and specifications of Sukhoi fighter types, which are owned by each country. The Su-27Sk single-seat multi-role fighter is an export version of the Su-27 fighter that has been service with the air forces in Indonesia and Vietnam. The fighter is designed to gain air superiority through destroying hostile manned and unmanned aircraft, with guided missiles in medium-range engagements and dogfights in individual and group operations, and surface in ground and sea targets, destroying with all types of weapon, first of all with high-precision weapon like guided missile and bombs, in all weather conditions. The main features of Su-27Sk are the following. The Su-27Sk weapon control system provides for aerial, surface and sea targets designation, tracking and destroying with the air weapon in round-the-clock all-weather conditions. It comprises two main subsystems, radar sighting system and optronic sight system. Flight and navigation data is indicated on the MFD and HUD, and on the other cockpit instruments as well. The radar used in Su-27Sk is of pulse Doppler type. It ensures aerial targets searching and tracking in air and against a ground or sea background at 100 km distance. The radar can simultaneously track and prioritize 10 aerial targets, and attack the most dangerous one. The Su-27Sk aircraft weapons suite includes the built-in GSH 300-130mm automatic single-barrel high-rate-of-fire cannon with 150 rounds ammunition load, and missiles, rockets and bomb ordnance suspended on 10 hard points located under the wings and fuselage. The Su-27Skm single-seat multi-role fighter is the export version of Su-27SM fighter. It is a modernized variant of Su-27Sk with improvements as in Su-37SM. The fighter is designed to destroy aerial targets in free air and against the background of land, and surface targets with guided and unguided weapons at day and night under the all-weather conditions. Su-27Skm can be supplemented by an in-flight fuel reloading system. The main features of the Su-27Skm fighter are the following. The fire control system of Su-27Skm provides for detection, tracking and hitting by onboard weapons aerial and surface targets round the clock and in any weather. The mainstays of the cockpit management system are two-color multifunction liquid crystal displays, color multifunction display panel with push buttons, and head-up display. The radar used on Su-27Skm in the air-to-air engagement ensures the following. In the air-to-surface mode, the radar ensures the following sad face. The Su-27 SKM weapon suite includes the built-in GSH 300 130mm automatic single-barrel cannon, missiles, rockets and bombs mounted externally on 10 hardpoints under wings and fuselage. The Su-27UBK is the Su-27UB export version with modified onboard equipment, is in service with the Air Forces in Vietnam. The power plant of the Su-27UB aircraft consists of two AL-31F bypass afterburning turbojet engines. The peculiarity of the AL-31F is the turbine blade structure that features unique mechanical and operating characteristics. The engines can be operated in a wide range of altitudes and flight speeds. The variable air intakes are with a variable wedge and blow-in door on the lower surface. A special inlet screen is provided to protect the engines against foreign objects during takeoff and landing. The Su-27UBK avionics comprises 4 interconnected systems: armament control, integrated flight and navigation, communication and onboard defense systems. All systems are interconnected. The armament control system enables the long-range missile engagement against a single target and a group target, and close-in combat maneuvers with the use of missiles and a gun. The integrated flight and navigation system controls the flight when guiding, as well as ground target approaching, en route flight, return to the airfield and the inter-aircraft navigation. The missiles are located in the aircraft missile launchers and catapult launchers on 10 stores. 4 under the outer wings, 2 under the wing tips, 2 under the engine nacelles and 2 under the center wing section between the engine nacelles.